Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is Gabe with Indigo Software, genuine Microsoft software for less. In today's video, we've got a quick tip for you guys. We're gonna show you how to translate words in Excel, Word, or PowerPoint. Whether you need to export a project in multiple languages or whatever the case may be, it's pretty simple to do so. We're gonna show you guys the features that are already built in within these applications. Before we get started with that though, if you're interested in Microsoft Office, or other Microsoft software at a great price, check out Indigo Software. We'll put links in the description box below. So, without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so we'll go into the Start menu first, and we're just going to show you guys in Word, but the process will be pretty much the exact same in any of your other applications. Alright, so here I have a cold email template for my other business, and let's say I want to send this out in Spanish. Well, I can select everything. I can also select certain parts of it, and then our next step is to go to the Review tab. Alright, from here we have a little button called Translate, and then we have two options. We can either translate the selection, or we can translate the entire document. Now, since I have everything selected here, they're both kind of going to do the same thing. But for example, if you wanted to have both Spanish and English on one page, or whatever your situation is, you have that ability as well. So we'll show you that first, and then we'll show you the document feature. All right, so let's just say I want this first paragraph here to be Spanish. We'll click on Translate Selection. Okay, we're going to change our to language to Spanish. All right, and then we'll hit Insert. As we can see, this is successfully translated into Spanish. And then we could also just edit directly from here, as well as, editing back on the document. All right, so I just reverted that. And then if I just go back into Translate here and hit Translate Document, and then clicking over to Document, I can scroll down a little bit, and I'm just gonna select Spanish, and we'll hit Translate. Now this makes a whole new document here, and the whole thing is translated into Spanish. And then we could go back to File, Save As, or do anything else that we might need to do. Alright guys, so that's going to do it for today's video. If you have any questions about any parts of this process, drop those in the comment section below, and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. Again, if you're interested in purchasing Microsoft Office or other Microsoft software at a great price, check out Indigo Software. We'll have the links in the description box below. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys next time.